Traditional chatbots like ChatGPT are trained on massive datasets pulled from the internet. That sounds powerful, but here's the catch. You don't decide what goes in. Someone else chooses the sources, decides what to filter out, and ultimately defines what the model treats as reliable. In other words, the answers you get are shaped by unseen choices, and possibly even by the priorities and agendas of those that are curating the data. But here's the bigger issue. Traditional chatbots don't know your data, the documents about your business, the notes you've written over the years, the web pages you've bookmarked, even YouTube videos you want to analyse. And that's the very information you want AI to help you explore. NotebookLM flips the script. Instead of relying on a mystery training set, you load in your own material. Suddenly the AI isn't a stranger guessing at answers. It's like having your own personal research assistant sitting right beside you, trained only on the sources that you trust. That means every insight is grounded in your data. Every answer is transparent about where it comes from, and every discovery feels like it was made by you. With a traditional chatbot, you're learning on someone else's version of the truth. With NotebookLM, you define it. You set the foundation, and your AI research assistant does the heavy lifting, connecting the dots, surfacing insights, and turning your notes into knowledge you can actually use. But I haven't even told you about the studio panel in NotebookLM, where you can create audio overviews, which are like podcasts at a click of a button.
When scientists finally had the technology, the sensitive detectors, to do this with extremely low light intensity, that's absolutely not what they saw.
No. That continuous pattern, which had been so...
These audio overviews have two hosts, and there's even an interactive mode where you can click a button, join the conversation, and ask them questions. And then there's the video overviews, where they will create a complete video of your chosen topic using your sources.
All right, get ready, because everything you think you know about how the world works, it's about to be turned. Find it through a barrier with two tiny parallel slits in it. Now, if light was just particles...
And then there's timelines and briefing docs, not to mention study guides, frequently asked questions, and mind maps. I'm Andy Williams, by the way, and I'll be the instructor on this course. I've been teaching on Udemy for over 10 years, and this is my profile page. Currently 30 courses. This is going to be my 31st course. Before teaching on Udemy, I used to teach in a school. I taught kids up to the age of 18, biology and general science. I also write and publish books on Amazon. But that's enough about me. I hope to see you in the course.